Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Retell AI in order to create your first AI agent and also make a phone call. So let's get started. Let me click on this link. So if you are new to the system, you can click on try for free. And since I have already created my account, I'll just log in. So here I have to use since I have already registered, I'll just click with continue with Google. It's loading, and here's the dashboard. So this is the Retell AI dashboard. So as soon as you land on the dashboard, the first tab will always be agents. So we have to deal with agent here, phone number tab, as well as billing here. And we can also check the call history, and there is also the tabs called API key, webhooks, etc. So I have already created my AI agent called my first AI agent. And also I have already bought a phone number from Retell AI, and it's this phone number. And for you, what we have to do first thing is to create an AI agent. So let's start and create an AI agent. So let's go to the multi-prompt agent first. Okay, so let's click on this, and then we will go for lead qualification. Is a simple beginner's tutorial, and it will create an AI agent by default. Retell will create the AI agent by default for you, and you can make other changes over here using functions and other things, but this is just for demo. Your first simple AI agent. Okay, just to show that how Retell AI works and also how we can make a call. So here's the detail. So as you can see here, you can change the voice. So we are using here in this voice, we are using Anna. In this AI agent, we are using Anna, and we can choose so many voice from here as you wish. And also you can choose the language, and here you can use GPT or Gemini as per your wish. And then here is the identity of the agent. So an AI agent is a person. It's just like you receive a call from a salesperson about a retail or real estate company, and convey you information like scheduling meeting or appointment. So many other things can be done by AI agent. So here the details about the agent is given. So the name of the agent is Chloe, and it's from Retell Real Estate Company. And then she will be like greeting with Sam at the beginning of the call. So this is default. You can always change this thing according to your wish. And then here are some details like how he or she should talk, how the agent should talk and interact with the user. And then like you can see here, get clarity if the user only partially answer a question, or if the answer is unclear, keep asking to get clarity. Some instructions is given to the agent. And lastly, like response guidance is also given over here. And here is an option to test the agent. So let's test the agent. Hi, Chloe.
Hello, Sam. This is Chloe from Retell Real Estate Company. Am I catching you at a good time?
Okay, so let's talk for some time, Chloe.
Of course, Sam. When would be a good time for me to call you back?
Okay, so tomorrow 4:30 p.m. Is it okay for you?
That works perfectly, Sam. I'll schedule the call back for tomorrow, Monday, April 14th, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. Let me confirm this for you.
Yeah, please. So that's how it worked. So we have tested. So we just created our AI agent, and also we just tested it. And this was a web call. And then, okay, here are some other things like how much charges it will be. So you can see here cost per minute, all those things are given over here. And then you can always change the name, like for example lead qualification, whatever. My second agent, You can write that, you can rename anything. Okay, so we created our agent. So let's move back to the first thing is to create the agent, which we have done, and also we have tested it. So let's go back to the dashboard. So here's the dashboard, and we just created our AI agent. In my case, it's my second agent. For you, it will be my first AI agent, whatever. Okay, so the next thing is, if you are new to the system, to Retell AI, you need to buy a new number. But before that, you have to do the billing. So you just click on the billing tab over here, billing tab, and then you have to click on the change payment method, which will take you to another page. And here you need to fill in your credit card details, etc. And then after having done that, the next step is to go to phone number. So this is the phone number tab, and I have my phone number over here, and since I have already verified myself, it is saying make an outbound call. But if you are new to the system, you just have to click on this button, click on this buy new button, and then enter the country code and press on the button save, and it will generate a new phone number which will cost you $2, and it will be reduced from your free trial amount given by Retell. Then after that, if you see here, instead of make an outbound call as shown here, you will be given, in your case for new users, you will be given an option to verify yourself. So you just have to click there, and then you have to produce your identity card given by your government, and then take some photo of yourselves, and then verify yourself. And once you are verified, this button will pop up, that is make an outbound call. And then here, after that, you can assign my second agent, first agent, whatever agent you want. Okay, so this is for inbound call, and this is for outbound call. So inbound call are those calls which will be incoming call, and outbound will be outgoing calls actually. So we are going to make an outbound call. So I will use my first AI agent. You can use your second AI agent, whatever. So you can choose, and then you can just make an outbound call. So make an outbound call. So here you have to enter the phone number. So I will enter country code followed by your number, and then you just make a call.
Receive. This is Chloe from Retell Real Estate Company. Am I catching you at a good time? Yes, Chloe. Thanks for your call. Can we talk little later? Can we schedule this call tomorrow? Can we schedule this call tomorrow? No problem, Sam. What time tomorrow works best for you? Maybe 5:30 p.m. tomorrow. Our business hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., so 5:30 p.m. is just outside of that. Could we schedule the call a bit earlier, maybe around 4:30 p.m. tomorrow? Would that work for you? Can 2:30 p.m. be possible for me? Absolutely. 2:30 p.m. tomorrow works perfectly. I'll schedule the call back for then. Let me confirm this for you. Okay, please. Okay, so we just received the call.